Red balls.
Huh?
Red malls.
Warning. Red mall may cause blurred vision, schizophrenia, colon cancer, severe anal discharge, Parkinson's disease, anti-Semitism, terrorism, and the ability to think you can see the future, but you really can't.
And remember, kids, Red Mall is downright delicious.
It's about tree fitted. You can buy them at all Walmarts.